Install the CloudFO app and a login link will be sent to your shop email address. Click on the sign up link and your account will automatically be created. Select the newly created company and you will be taken to your dashboard. You will see that you already have one app connected. Your Shopify data is ready to use immediately. However, we recommend that you also connect either your business bank account or your accounting software for a real-time view of your business. When you have new transactions, you will see that you have cash flows to review. We attempt to select the best categories. However, it is important that you check these are correct. You can quickly select the most appropriate category from a list. On this page, you can also set if a transaction is recurring or not. Now you're ready to start exploring your data. The Transactions page gives you an overview of all transactions over all connected accounts. You can view more details for each transaction, filter the data, and even download the information to share with your accountant. To see the status of your business at a glance, use Key Performance Indicators, or KPIs. There are KPIs for a range of metrics such as burn rate, cash runway, average revenue per user, and average basket size. To dive deeper into a KPI, click on More Details. You can ask CloudFO any question you like about your business by clicking on the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. For example, what was my largest expense this year? To see the results visually, let's ask for these results in the form of a pie chart. And for ease of reading, click the icon in the top right of the chat to see the analysis in a larger view. Every Monday, a banner will appear at the top of your screen, encouraging you to review your company's performance over the last week. This review will ask you for any current company updates, give you an update on the current cash position over the last week and your spending. The review will also cover your income, customer activity, sales, and profit. If you want more information on anything, just ask follow-up questions to dive into your performance in more detail. We recommend that you set goals and targets every week. We can help you set new ones based on your current performance and check your current progress against previous goals. And that's it! You've reviewed your company's performance in under 5 minutes.